guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Zyia website. So when you go to our link, myzyia.com/cnc, this is the page where when you come here, you're going to see this if you're on a computer, right? And what you want to do is you want to go to shop. Now, if you are on a phone, it's going to look more like this. Okay? So it's going to look like this on your phone. And you're just going to come down here again and you're going to go to shop. And it's going to take you right into the site. So here's what it's going to look like if you are on a desktop. And you're simply going to click on categories right here. Don't click on the menu in the top right over here. You're going to use this one right here underneath the main picture. Pay attention to the sizing charts on every single item because some things run small, some things run big, and you want to make sure that you're getting the right size. If it says to size up or size down, I do highly recommend doing that because it is very accurate. So we're going to come down here. I'm going to click on categories. You can see things that launched today. Wednesdays are when new items launched, or things that restocked by going to new and favorites. Or you can go into the categories and you can see different things by the category, by activity, by size, by men, by women, everything here. Again, if you are on a phone, it's just going to look a little bit different. After you click shop, you're going to come here. Again, do not use this menu up here. You're going to use this one down here. And you just go ahead and go to whatever you want to go to. So I'm going to go to new and favorites and then come down here. Don't pay attention to this side of the screen. I'm just showing you what the mobile version looks like. And then come down and find what you want. Let's say you want something specific like the metallics. You can actually use this box right here to type in one of the keywords, and I'm going to go ahead and type metallic, and it's going to show you the metallics. For instance, here's the black metallics. So if you wanted those, you could click on them, and then you're going to come here. Again, make sure that you read this. Right down here, it's going to tell you what it is. So for instance, this one says it fits true to size, but intentionally very compressive. So then you're just going to choose your size. So whatever size you're going to choose, you click on add to bag and it's going to add it to your cart. When you're all done shopping, you can click on your cart and check your items. So make sure you have what you need. If you have to change anything, click the plus sign and change it right here. You can also delete something and then click on proceed to checkout. Then you're going to come here and you're going to fill in your name and address. So just fill in your name, put your email at the bottom, and your phone number right here. And then hit save and continue. And then it's going to ask you to verify your information. Make sure you have the right order. Everything is correct. And then you're going to click on Pay for Order. During this step, it's going to ask you to add your credit card. So you're going to see this page right here, and it says Add a Payment. Just click on Add. It's going to reload the page, and it's going to ask you to put in your credit card information. So you can put your credit card information in here and fill it in, and then hit Register. Once you register, then the next step is it's going to go back to the order page that shows you what you have, and you're going to confirm it, and that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to give me or Candace a call, or shoot us a text, or message us on Facebook Messenger, or whatever you need, and we're always going to be here to help you out. And that's it. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.